It is the objective case, but we need the subjective case. So subjective case of her is she. And he has the past simple tense. You know, in narration, in indirect speech, we convert the tenses too. So here the past tense, so past simple tense would be converted into past perfect tense. Already you have told. So past perfect tense. With she we have to apply had and verb third form. Had. Now had, there is us. Us is the first person. We, our, us, ours. First person. First person we have learned that first persons would be changed according to the subject of reporting speech. Subject is you, but you is the subjective case and us is the objective case. We need the objective case of you. Objective case of you is also you. In same, this would be converted into that, meta same. So direct sentence is, you said to her, did you help us in this matter? You asked her if she had helped you in that matter. I think you have understood. In test, whenever such kind of questions would be, there would be the options. You have to select the option of asked. If there is the interrogative question and you are selecting the told or that, no. If there is the interrogative questions, you have to select the options which are related with asked. And here in place of commas, there should be the used if or whether. So I think you have understood about the interrogative sentence. Now I am going to write another sentence. He said to me, sir, may I go now? Now which mark is there? There is the question mark. So whenever there is the question mark, at that time said would be converted into asked. To will be removed means same. Now we are looking here, we have used the word sir. Sir, madam. If there are the words sir or madam, in place of that, we have to use the word respectfully. Before use respectfully, in place of sir, we have to apply the words respect. If there is the word madam or sir. Sir, in the sir which is used for calling. If I am sir, madam. If I say, she said to me, sir is coming. This is only subject. This is not used for calling. At that time, sir would not be changed into respectfully. She said to me, sir is coming. She told me that sir was coming. So whenever there is sir would be converted into respectfully. Now in place of commas, if there is the assertive sentence, I have to apply a that. Here is the interrogative but with a helping verb. Whenever there is the interrogative with a helping verb, at that time we have to apply if or whether. So if I is the first person, it will be changed according to subject, he. And here we have to make the assertion. Here is, may I go now? This is the present aorist. It would be converted into past aorist. So past helping verb is might. May would be converted into might. Can would be converted into could. Shall will would be converted into should, would. So may would be converted into might. We have to make the assertion. Go. Now would be converted into then. Already we discussed in the class. So I think you have understood about the interrogative sentence which are started with helping verbs. So whenever there are the questions which are started with helping verbs. At that time, said would be converted into asked in place of commas, if or whether. And after that, we have to make the sentence into assertive. Remember? So I think you have got it. Now we are moving forward. Now we are going to move to the double interrogative in which the WH words are used. Now here is again the sentence is over here. Same question mark is there. So whenever there the question mark, said would be converted into asked. Asked. He asked will be removed as same. And now please, if there is the interrogative sentence and that sentence has been started with the helping verb, at that time, in place of commas, we have to apply if or whether. But if there is the interrogative sentence and it has been started with a WH word, where, when, how, which, whose, who, WH words. At that time, we have to insert, we have to write the same WH word in place of commas. What I have said? I have said if there is the interrogation and the sentence has been started with a WH word. If the sentence has been started with the helping verb, at that time in place of commas we have to apply if or whether. But if there the sentence which has been started with a WH word, double interrogative, at that time same WH word would be applied at the place of commas. So where? Now already I have told you that interrogative sentence would be converted into assertive mode. So where use second person, it would be changed according to object. Object is us, but we need the subjective case of us. Subjective case is we. And this is the present simple tense. Present simple would be converted into past simple tense. So learned, second form of learned, English would remain same. So the direct is a full stop. Direct, he said to us, where do you learn English? Indirect, he asked us where we learned English. Have you gotten it? So thank you. Another sentence I am going to give you, because our task is that you must understand it. If you have understood, it is really so nice for us, for the students. But if you have not understood, only I am going to convert the sentence. So I am going to write another sentence. Aslam said to his teacher, Aslam said to his teacher, why have you not solved this problem? This is also interrogative sentence, interrogative negative. But here the question mark is going to tell us and going to indicate us that this is the interrogative sentence. So whenever there's the interrogative sentence, said would be converted into asked or inquired of. Okay, asked. Aslam. Asked. To will be removed. In place of to his teacher. Object is his teacher. In place of comma, same WH word. If there had been the helping verb, I would have inserted here if or whether. But here is WH word. So same WH word in place of why. Now we are looking here the you. Use the second person. Second person would be changed according to object. Object is teacher. Teacher is common gender. Teacher can be man or woman. So you may apply here she or he. It is up to you. So you, teacher. So teacher he. Why he? Here is present perfect tense. Here the past tense, so present perfect would be converted into why he had negate not solved. This would be converted into that a problem. So the direct sentence is Aslam said to his teacher, why have you not solved this problem?
And now he is interrogated. Verb will be in second form or first form, Sanjay? Now he is in interrogative condition.
Okay, I'm going to tell you. Aslam asked his teacher why he had not solved that problem. Now again repeat the question, please.
This is indirectly is also interrogative. So verb should be in first form or second form.
There is present perfect tense. You know, in present perfect tense, we use the third form of the verb. Also, in past perfect tense, we use the third form of the verb. So, third form would be here and here too. Okay. So, clapping, very good question was asked. Very nice. So, if you feel puzzled and confused, you may ask. Very nice. So, I think you have understood the philosophy of WH words. That whenever the double interrogative sentence, the sentence which I started with the WH words, at that time what we have to do and how we have to convert such kind of sentence into indirect speech. Now we are moving forward. She said to her, Madam, she said to her, Madam, may I go out for some moments? This is also, I have used here, Madam. So, there is the interrogation mark. There is the question mark. So, whenever there is the question mark, at that time, said would be converted into asked. Oh, very nice. She asked. It will be removed her. In place of commas, what we have to apply now? If there had been WH word, we have to apply here WH word. If there is the helping verb, we have to apply for with. But before that, here is madam. In place of that madam, we have to use respectfully. In place of commas, if with I is the first person, it would be changed according to subject. So she, may would be converted into might. Go would be same. Out for some moments. Full stop. So she said to her, Madam, may I go out for some moments? She asked her respectfully if she might go out for some moments. So here I have written the sentence which has been started with may. Now I am going to write another sentence over here which would be started with also may. So he said to me, may God bless you. Now, may I come in, sir? May I go out? May I attend this class? May I speak English? May I take this? This is also the sentence which these are the sentences which have been started with may. But now this is the sentence which has been started with may too.
Sir, he prayed to me.
Now, please listen to me carefully. If the sentence has been started with may and there is the sign of exclamation, at that time, we have to learn that this is not interrogative sentence. Though it has been started with may, yet it is not. But it is the optative sentence in which the pray has been mentioned. The positivity has been mentioned there. So if there is the sentence, this sign is going to tell us. Abu मां पियो चवां त ही निशानी असां के क्वेश्चन मार्क की त असां सेट टू जे दास लिखी छॾियो बाक़ी कन्वर्ट कयसीं पर हिते हाणे मे सां सेंटेंस स्टार्ट थियो आहे क्वेश्चन मार्क हीअ लॻी पई आहे पोइ सेंटेंस मे सां हुजे सेंटेंस खे पढ़ो मे गॉड ब्लेस यू अलॉट दुआ आहे छा आहे so whenever such kind of prayer has been mentioned in the sentence at that time said would be converted into prayed. he prayed me, or he prayed for me. In place of commas, that. If there is the interrogative sentence, it started with helping verb. At that time, we have to apply the if or whether. But here is the pray, and this sign is there. At that time, we have to apply that. Now, again, we have to make the assertion. God is the subject, that God may would be converted into might. Blaze would be same. Use the second person, me. A lot, same. So he said to me, may God bless you a lot. Indirect, he prayed me, or he prayed for me, that God might bless me a lot. I think you have understood about that sentence. So if there's the sentence has been started with may, and there is an other point, there's other situation. Again, the sentence has been started with may. She said to him, may God ruin you, may God destroy you. What do you feel? That it is the pray or it is the curse? Babu, dwaya pittaya parata. Ji babu, ji. Bad dwaya pitta parata. May God ruin, shall khuda tabah kar. Ji babu, ahina ji Sindhi mein meaning kandasin ta shal agmi zarur chaundasi. So she said to him, may God ruin you. So this is also optative sentence. So if there is the optative sentence in which the curse has been mentioned, said would be changed into caused. It will be removed him, same, and in play. If there was the pray, we had applied there that. If there's the curse, again we have to apply that. God same, may would be converted into might. But remember, if there had been present tense, if there had been present tense, if there had been present tense in reporting a speech, we would not have converted may into might. God may, if there is the present tense in reporting. So might, room, same. Use the second person according to object, so him. This is the easy task and simple task which we are going to conduct in this class. So thank you. Now again we are moving forward. He said to her, how beautiful writing he said to her, how beautiful writing yours is. This is the direct sentence which we have to convert into indirect speech. So now this is the exclamatory sentence. How beautiful writing yours is. तुझी writing केडी न खूबसूरता अजबा हैरानिया हैरानी जो तज्जुब जो इजारा. So जॾहिं अहिड़े क़िस्म जो sentence हुजे, said would be converted into exclaimed. It will be removed her same in place of commas that. Now we have to end up the exclamation. We have to make it into assertive mode. जी बाबू हाँ ना जी exclamation खत्म थींदी वरी बि assertive mode. Optative sentence में optative खत्म करे दुआ पिट खत्म करे उनखे assertive sentence करे छॾियोसीं. हिनखे exclamatory style खे खत्म करे वरी assertive. हाणे कीअं थो assert her that हाणे ते आसीं हाणे assertive कंदासीं. ॾिसूं त subject कहिड़ो आहे helping verb. हा जी बाबू yours the second person, you you were, yours, you. You is the second person. We all know that second person would be changed according to object. Object is her. जी बाबू हाँ थोड़ा ध्यान सा कजो हाँ ऑब्जेक्टिव केसा ही पॉजिटिव केसा ही प्रोनाउन जो पॉजिटिव केसा हर जेको ऑब्जेक्टिव केसा ऐं जेकॾहिं इन जो केस कयूं एडजेक्टिव का केस आहे पॉजिटिव त हर आहे पर प्रोनाउन जो केस इन जो कहिड़ो आहे हर्स बाबा वरी ॿुधो यूएस जेको आहे सेकंड पर्सन आहे ऑब्जेक्ट सां चेंज थींदो ऑब्जेक्ट में हर आहे हर ऑब्जेक्टिव केस आहे पर हिन असां उहो केस हिते रखंदासीं उहो केस जेको मथियूं केस आहे मथियूं प्रोनाउन जो केस आहे त हर जो बि कहिड़ो केस कंदासीं पॉजिटिव केस पर प्रोनाउन वारो त प्रोनाउन जो कहिड़ो थींदो हर्स प्रेजेंट वुड बी चेंज इनटू पास्ट हर्स वास हाणे हिते हाउ या वॉट जे जाते असां वेरी यूज़ कंदा हर्स वाज वेरी beautiful writing. So he said to her, how beautiful writing yours is. He exclaimed her that hers was very beautiful writing. Your sentence here bhi sake the. He said to her, how beautiful your writing is. How beautiful your writing is. Tathiha, he exclaimed her that her writing was very beautiful. समझ में आई ॻाल्हि बाबा चलो इन जहिड़ो वरी ॿियो हिकिड़ो सेंटेंस कयूं त असांजो कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्कुलु क्लियर थी वञे छो त असांखे टेस्ट में जेको हीअं करणा कोन पवंदा उते त जल्द बस जस्ट ऑप्शन हूंदा असांजो उन महिल माइंड ई एतिरो स्पीड सां प्रोसेस करे त जल्द वञी उन ऑप्शन ते क्लिक कयूं जेको असांखे सही लॻे He said to her, how sweet these toffees are. He said to her, how sweet these toffees are. Here toffee carry una which one? Simple sentence. So said would be so baba kado sentence exclaimed. Said would be converted into exclaimed. It will be removed has same in place of commas that. जी बाबू असर्टिव नेगेटिव एम्फेटिक में कॉमास जे जाते दैट रखंदा हूं ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस में दैट रखंदा हूं एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस में कॉमास जे जाते दैट रखंदा हूं हाँ हेल्पिंग वर्ब सां स्टार्ट थियन जेकी क्वेश्चन उन्हनि जे जाते इफ या वेदर रखंदा हूं ऐं जेकॾहिं क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट थियन WH वर्ड सां त कॉमास जे जाते उहे सेम WH वर्ड रखंदा हूं यादि कयो पिया न हे ॻाल्हियूं शाबाश सो ही एक्सक्लेम्ड हर दैट नाउ वी हैव टू मेक द असर्शन These would be converted into those. Toffee same. R would be converted into because you're the present to be. Present to be would be converted into past to be. Why are you converting present to be into past to be?
Is present continuous tense?
Continuous to start. Okay, this is the helping present continuous to go. So present. Why are you converting it into verb?
In present continuous tense, he is working continuously.
Okay, why have you converted R into verb? Very nice. Very good. Okay, you are saying that we have converted because here is the past tense. So if you're the past tense in reporting, at that time there should be the changing of the tenses too. So R would be converted into verb. Those toffees were in place of how yeah, what is it? Very so much. Very sweet. So he said to her, how sweet these toffees are. Indirect, he exclaimed her that those toffees were very sweet. Have you understood? So if you have understood, clap him for this wonderful sentence. Okay, it is right too. Now we are moving forward. Now we have to make a little discussion about the imperative sentences. Are you ready? He said to her, open the window. This is the...
Asked to her, open the window.
So if there is the imperative sentence, in that sentence the order has been mentioned. Said would be converted into
Order.
ordered. Ha, 12 room, ha, in place of commas too. Whenever there the imperative sentence, at that time we have to keep two in place of commas. If they are the assertive, negative or emphatic sentence, in place of commas, that. If there is the interrogative sentence starting with the helping verbs, in place of commas, if or whether. If there is the sentence which has been started with WH word, in place of commas, same WH word. If there is the exclamatory sentence, if there is the optative sentence, in place of commas, that. But if there is the imperative sentence, at that time, in place of commas, to. In imperative sentence, we don't change the tense. We don't change the to open the window. हाँ थोड़ा ध्यान कजो ॾिसजो हिते जेकॾहिं हुजे हा डोंट ओपन द विंडो माना इहो मना पियो करे रोके त हिते लिखूं हा हिन ॿ टे सिचुएशन्स थी सघनि थो मां ज़बानी ॿुधाईंदो तो हलां जेकर हिते जे हा डोंट ओपन द विंडो त उन जो छा थियो ही फॉरबिड हर टू ओपन द विंडो या ही प्रोहिबिटेड हर to open the window. या हीअं बि थी सघे थो he ordered her not to open the window. टई थी सघंदा ॾिसो बाबा डोंट लॻल आहे त डोंट जे करे फॉरबिड लॻायोसीं डोंट जे करे हिते प्रोहिबिटेड लॻाए छॾियोसीं डोंट जे करे ऑर्डर्ड त लॻो पर टू खां परे छा लॻाए छॾींदासीं ही ऑर्डर्ड हर नॉट टू ओपन द विंडो ईअं बि थी सघे थो पर जेकॾहिं हिते मिसाल तौरु हुजे हा प्लीज़ लिखियलु प्लीज़ ओपन द विंडो त जॾहिं प्लीज़ हुजे हा त ही रिक्वेस्टेड हर टू ओपन द विंडो प्लीज़ केॾां वई प्लीज़ रिक्वेस्टेड में कन्वर्ट थी वई सही आहे बाबू पर जेकॾहिं हिते हुजे हा डू ओपन द विंडो डू बि हुजे ऐं अॻियां वर्ब जो फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज़ थियल हुजे त यादि रखी छॾियो उन महिल सम्झो त इहा एक्सॉर्टेशन यूज़ थियल आहे डू ओपन द विंडो त यादि करे छॾियो उन महिल कंदासीं ही एक्सॉर्टेड हर या डू एक्सॉर्टेड में कन्वर्ट एम्फेसाइज्ड हर टू ओपन द विंडो डू हुजे प्लस वरी वर्ब जो फर्स्ट फॉर्म हुजे ही एक्साइटेड हर टू ओपन पर जेकॾहिं हुजे ही हाणे ध्यान सां कजो ही सेड टू हर नेवर ओपन द विंडो कॾहिं बि दरवाज़ो न खोल दरी न खोलजां जी बाबा ही सेंटेंस हुजे जी बाबू हा जी बाबू चलो सही है ही प्रोहिबिटेड अब नेवर माना नॉट है ना जी बाबू नॉट ऐं एवर जो कॉम्बिनेशन आहे नेवर नॉट ऐं एवर पाण में मिलंदा त हिकु नओं वर्ड जनम वठंदो आहे नेवर सो नेवर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ नॉट ऐं एवर जो सो पियो ॿुधाए त ही ऑर्डर्ड हर नेवर टू ओपन द विंडो ठीकु आहे पर जेकॾहिं हीअं करे ॾिसजो वरी ॿियो तरीक़ो ही ऑर्डर्ड हर टू खां पहिरीं नॉट था लॻायूं ही ऑर्डर्ड हर नॉट टू ओपन द विंडो कहिड़ो लफ़्ज़ रहियो एवर ही ऑर्डर्ड हर नॉट टू ओपन द विंडो एवर इहो बि सही आहे वरी हीअं बि थी सघे थो बाबा डोंट जे जाते असां छा फॉरबिड यूज़ कंदा आहियूं न माना ही छा जो कॉम्बिनेशन आहे नॉट ऐं एवर जो. सो ही फॉरबेड हर. ध्यान सां ॿुधो, फॉरबेड में नॉट आहे, निगेशन आहे न. ही फॉरबेड हर टू ओपन द विंडो एवर. एवर वरी आख़िर में रखी छॾियोसीं. वरी हीअं बि थी सघे थो, ही प्रोहिबिटेड हर टू ओपन द विंडो एवर. प्रोहिबिटेड में नॉट आहे, फॉरबेड में अॻे ई नॉट आहे, ऑर्डर्ड में कान्हे त पंहिंजी नॉट लॻाईंदासीं. जेकर नेवर साॻियो रखी छॾियो तॾहिं तव्हांजी मर्ज़ी. त मुख़्तलिफ़ स्टाइलनि जे मैथ्स जा फार्मूला थींदा आहिनि न. ऐं फार्मूला जंहिंखे मैथ्स सां दिलचस्पी आहे उहो जेॾीमहिल मैथ्स खे सॉल्व पियो कंदो आहे उनखे मज़ो ऐं सुरूर पियो ईंदो आहे. त इंग्लिश में बाबू कई अहिड़ा फार्मूला आहिनि जिन खे कन्वर्ट कंदे वरी मज़ो पियो ईंदो आहे. यार मां नेवर खे हिते कन्वर्ट, नेवर नॉट ऐं एवर जो कॉम्बिनेशन आहे. फॉरबेड रखियुमि त मां नॉट अची वई, एवर रही, आख़िर में लॻाए छॾियमि. प्रोहिबिटेड हिते रखियुमि, इन में एवर रही, आख़िर में लॻाए छॾियमि. वरी जेकर न लॻायमि त ही ऑर्डर्ड हर, ऑर्डर्ड में त नॉट आहे ई कान, नॉट टू ओपन द विंडो एवर. अजीब अंदाज़ सम्झ में अचे पई ॻाल्हि. चलो इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस जो थोरो डिस्कस कंदासीं. लास्ट में पाण डिस्कस कयूं एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस जो. छा जो बाबा, एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस जो डिस्कस कयोसीं. पर उन में चंद लफ़्ज़ यूज़ थींदा आहिनि जिन मां असांखे किन मां अजब ज़ाहिर थींदो आहे, किन मां ख़ुशी ज़ाहिर थींदो आहे, किन मां अफ़सोस ज़ाहिर थींदो आहे, किन मां ॾाढो ॾुख जो इज़हार थींदो आहे. जीअं हुरा लफ़्ज़. हुरा छा जो निशानी आहे? She said to me, Hurrah, I have gotten the first position. I have gotten the first position. Sentence ॾिसो assertive लॻो पियो, फुल स्टॉप अची पियो आहे. पर हिते लफ़्ज़ यूज़ थियल छा? हुरा, हुरा, हुज़ा. These are the words of happiness. सो जॾहिं बि हुरा यूज़ थियल आहे एक्सक्लेमेटरी से आहे, ॾिसो हिते ही हुरा कढी छॾियो त तव्हांखे सेंटेंस असर्टिव लॻंदो. ही सेड टू मी, I have gotten the first position. He told me that she told me that she had gotten the first position. assertive लॻो पियो आहे. पर हुरा लफ़्ज़ ॿुधाए पियो हीअ एक्सक्लेमेटरी से वॾे अजब जे इज़हार सां हिन सेंटेंस चयो आहे. सो जॾहिं अहिड़े क़िस्म जो सेंटेंस हुजे पोइ सेड टू जे जाते टोल्ड न, उन खां मुख़्तलिफ़ लफ़्ज़ लिखंदासीं जेकी हिन अजब जो इज़हार लाइ एक्सप्रेस कंदा आहिनि. एक्सक्लेम्ड यूज़ कंदा आहिनि. वॉन्ट जपान यूज़ कयूं था एक्सक्लेम्ड. शी एक्सक्लेम्ड टो ख़तम मी. हाणे हुरा जे जाते असांखे लफ़्ज़ लॻे. जीअं सर जे जाते छा रखियो हुअ? रिस्पेक्टफुली. मैडम जे जाते रिस्पेक्टफुली. हुरा जे जाते बि असांखे लफ़्ज़ रखिणो आहे जेको माना जंहिंमें ख़ुशीअ जे इज़हार जे लाइ को एडवर्ब रखिणो आहे. जॉयफुली, हैप्पीली, डिलाइटफुली, मुख़्तलिफ़. चलो मां सिंपल. या विथ हैप्पीनेस, इन हैप्पीनेस, विथ ह्यूज जॉय. पंहिंजे तरफ़ां जेको जो टेस्ट में बि ईअं हूंदा. तव्हां हिन हुरा खे ॾिसी त हिन में ख़ुशी वारो लफ़्ज़ कहिड़ो लॻल आहे. उहो ज़रूरी न आहे त जॉयफुली लॻल हुजे, हैप्पीली या इन क़िस्म मुख़्तलिफ़ लफ़्ज़ थी सघे थो ज़हन में. पर असांखे उहो फार्मूला अचे त हिन तहत ई सेंटेंस कन्वर्ट थियो आहे. सो ही शी एक्सक्लेम्ड मी जॉयफुली. अब हुरा किरां वियो? हुरा ख़तमु थी वियो आहे. हाणे हुरा कन्वर्ट थी वियो जॉयफुली में. हाणे कॉमास जे जाते छा अचे? दैट. I is the first person, it will be changed according to subject. So subject is she. Have would be converted into had. Again same question from you. Why have you converted have into had?
Because he's past.
Because they are the past. Clapping for him. Very nice. Again, very nice. So she had gotten the first position. समझ में अची वो गाल. Again, he said to her, alas, my uncle has passed away. हिन हुनखे चयो अफ़सोस जी. छा मीनिंग इहा मीनिंग वाह जी कई. हीउ पियो चए अफ़सोस मुंहिंजो चाचा साईं प्यालो करे वियो, वफ़ात करे वियो. जी बाबू, जी बाबा. सो he said to her, alas, my uncle has passed away. माना वफ़ात करे वियो, हिन दुनिया खे छॾियो. जी बाबा, हिन में ॾुख आहे न. जॾहिं ॾुख ऐं सदमो हुजे उते असां अलास यूज़ कंदा आहियूं. ओ बि यूज़ करे सघूं था, ठीकु आहे। सो जॾहिं बि हाणे साॻियो सेट खे चेंज कंदासीं, छा एक्सक्लेम्ड में एक्सक्लेम टू ख़तमु हर। हाणे ॾिसो ख़ुशीअ वारो लफ़्ज़ हो त असां यूज़ कयोसीं जॉयफुली, ऐं हाणे अफ़सोस वारो कमु आहे त छा सारोफुली, सैडली, इन सैडनेस। He exclaimed her sorrowfully. छा बाबू sorrowfully। हाणे कॉमास जे जाते छा ॾियां? That, शाबाश, well done। मैं is the first person. First person would be changed according to subject. He is the subjective case. We need the possessive case. So possessive case of he is his uncle. Has would be converted into had, passed away, same. So he said to her, alas, my uncle has passed away. So indirect, he exclaimed her sorrowfully that his uncle had